In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to assign copies of tasks in Asana. This feature is particularly useful when you have a task that needs to be duplicated across multiple team members, ensuring everyone has their version to work on. We're going to walk through the process step by step, so let's get started. First, make sure you're logged into your Asana account. If you haven't done so already, head over to Asana's website and log in with your credentials. You'll need to enter your email address and then click continue. Afterwards, simply type in your password and click on login. Once you've logged in, you'll find yourself on the Asana homepage, which serves as your central hub for your projects and tasks. Now, the next step is to create a task or subtask. Think of this as defining the work that needs to be accomplished. Focus on filling out all the necessary details, such as the task description, due date, and any attachments that might be relevant. This is the information that will provide clarity to the task assignees and help ensure successful completion. Once your task is all set, you'll want to open its details pane on the right side of your screen. Here is where you'll find various fields, including one labeled assignee. Go ahead and click on the assignee field. As you do so, you'll see an option labeled assign to multiple people. Selecting this option allows you to add more than one person to the task, essentially creating copies for each individual. You can then type in the names or email addresses of those you want to assign the task to. Asana makes this easy by providing you with suggestions as you type, usually based on your team members in the project or organization. Once you've entered all the necessary names, look for the Assign button. Clicking this button will finalize the assignment process and ensure that each person receives their copy of the task. By following these straightforward steps, you've successfully leveraged Asana's capability to assign task copies to multiple people. This can greatly enhance your project management efficiency by ensuring that each team member is responsible for completing their own piece of the larger puzzle. Remember, clear communication and well-defined tasks play a crucial role in successful project execution. And that's it. You've learned how to assign copies of tasks in Asana. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. If you have further questions or need additional support, don't hesitate to explore Asana's resources or contact their support team for guidance. Be sure to check back for more tutorials to make the most of your productivity tools.